Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making a very simple version of some fish koftas. So basically little Middle Eastern-y, little fish kebabby sort of things, and I'm going to be frying mine today, shallow frying them in my fry pan. So like I say, very simple. Everything today is just going into my processor. Now first thing I've got is one onion, brown onion, and I'm putting in 3 cloves of garlic with that, and I'm just going to give them a little preliminary blitzing. Too easy. Alrighty, now to make our fish koftas, I've got 600 grams, and I've just cut these into chunks of bassa fillets. So I've got no bones, no skin. 600 grams, yeah, so roughly like a pound in the old money. Get them in. So I've got a good handful of chopped parsley leaves. About the same of coriander. Now in this one I've got a tablespoon of sumac and about half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Chili flakes to your own taste. I'm putting in 2 teaspoons. Probably the recommended dose would probably be 1 if you don't like too spicy. If you like it spicier, more. If you've got no tolerance for spice at all, leave it out if you want, but or just half a teaspoon. Let's put in some ground salt, some ground black pepper. We'll give it another whiz. Now we're not trying to turn this into a paste really, so you don't have to blitz that for too long. We're using it more as a chopper and a mixer, and that's looking pretty good. Alrighty guys, so once that's mixed up, I've just put some cling film on top of that, and I'm just going to put that in the fridge and just rest it for about half an hour, and let those flavours develop a little bit. Alrighty guys, it's about half an hour later, so I'm just going to, with thoroughly clean hands, well they're clean, but I am going to, I've got a little bit of oil there. I'm just going to rub a little bit of oil onto my hands, just to help form up these koftas. And yeah, we don't want them too big, just about golf ball size. And that's about it. Alrighty guys, now just for good luck, as you saw, I've just made all those koftas up. I did whack them in the fridge just for another 10 minutes or so, just while I've put in here about 4 tablespoons of oil, because we're going to sort of shallow fry these, but with a good amount of oil, if you know what I mean. So while we're doing that, I'll just let these cool down a little bit more, and that's on a medium heat. I don't want it on a really high heat, because these are going to take a little while to cook. So let's get them in there. And I'm going to need to do these in 2 batches. And I'm not going to move them around too much to start with, but I will do, just give them a little tap, just to flatten them out a little bit. Alrighty, so I've just served up a plate load of my fish koftas here. Turned out a treat, I reckon. Now all I've done to serve with those is I've just got some yogurt and I've put in some mint, some lemon juice and just some grated garlic into that dip, and I've just got a few lemon wedges, and yeah, let's try one. That's how it looks up close. I'm just going to try it without the dip to start with. And it is really, really yummy just with that lemon. Yum, yum, yum. But yeah, let's put a bit of yogurt on it. Yogurt, mint, garlic. And more lemon juice. Here we go. Alright guys, you've got to try that. You saw how easy that was. That is just absolutely delicious. Really yummy. And yeah, I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of those. Quick, smart. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscription tag button? And that'd be great. If you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time.